Hey guys, DarkRabbit329 here again, and today, back at it again, we're gonna play World of Tanks Blitz. My last video, I died, sadly. But, we're gonna try and not die this time. Let's see how well we go. These are different tiers for different tanks. So, yeah. Oh god, it's a little loud here. Let's keep going. Let's go. Let's get rid of them. Let's go. Come on. I wanna go. Let me go. Let me go. I'm on the move. Come on. We need the boys here as well. Forget where they come in from. Wow, that's a bit loud. I think they come in from that side, if I'm not wrong. Can't remember. Not sure. Whoa! Oh, there's enemies. And frenemies. Hey, excuse me. I want you to get shot, you bot. Shit. Let's go. He's been shot. Let's keep going. Let's go. Let's keep going for. Ow! Calm the F down. Get shot. Oh, shit. I am screwed. Oh, crap. Let's go. Keep going. Keep going. Crap. This is not ideal in thy slightest. And I don't need capsule. Shit. Let me go. Ow. Ow. Well, that didn't work. Let's go back. Yeah, this isn't good. What if I try the M7? Let's go. Alright. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Please don't let me die first up. Otherwise, I will rage quit on you so hard. Wait. Roy. So I've got the boys here. Should I back up a little bit? Ow. I'm just trying to back away. You've been struck by a smooth criminal. He's been fucked. That is not. Ow. By the way, at some point, I was in a 1v4 against the other team. I was on my own and versus like 4 other people on the other team, and I got fucking fucked. And I got fucked. And that's us. We won. Let's go. Victory. Let's go. Let's keep going. Mission. Oh, nice. Cool. I think I did better with this than anything. I swear to God, this is weird. Oh my God. Uh, See, I did well. I did well, I think. Not sure. Ah, yes, please, I would like speed. Where's my drive? Where's my power? We stay hungry, we devour. Flippin' bananas. Holy shit. Um, okay. Claim, I'll claim this. Thank you very much. Let's see. Is there any other quests? Oh, over here, quest. There we go. And now let's go. Uh, one equipment slot for a tier 2 tank. Got it. Uh, I think I might use this one actually. I like it. Equipment. Uh, um, uh, yeah, I'll do that actually. Yeah, I'll do that one as well. Let's go. There we go. Easy. Easy quest. That's claimed. Uh, without multipliers on a tier 2 tank. Jesus Christ, how do we do that? It's a tier 2 tank, but it's got multipliers, so... It's the only tier 2 tank I got. Can I buy other tanks? Not sure. Let's just do nothing. Never mind. Oh, let's go. Thank you very much. Sue. Affirmative. Let's go. Holy shit. Go away. Yeah. Hmm. So yeah, there's not much else to do. Um, yeah. Tier 5 tank, give me a second. Hmm. I'm gonna end it here. And yeah, I'm gonna keep, and I'll be with you next time. Peace.